Christina, when are you having a sale? Like, I really like all of your products, or there's a certain one I have my eye on, but I'm a deal hunter. So when exactly are you having a sale? So this is actually a question that I get more frequently than not. So I thought I'd kind of clue you into a couple different ways that you can snag a discount on all of the resources in the PTO Answers shop. So the first way to get a discount is to go ahead and sign up to get emails from me. So you can go ahead to ptoanswers.com/shop. Then at the top, you can click the little bar that says save 10% when you sign up for emails. So you go ahead and do that. You'll get a coupon code in your email, and you can use that on anything in the shop. Then the second way that you can be clued into sales is to join the PTO Superstar Leaders Facebook group. I offer a sale about once a month on different resources there. And then you can also follow the PTO Answers Facebook page. I post sale information there. And then the best way, if you really are a deal hunter, you are definitely going to want to sign up for those emails because I give the very best discounts to my email subscribers. So yes, you will get sales the other way, but the very best ones are in the emails, my friends. So there you have it. There are 4 different ways to get discounts on resources that you need to become a better leader to run a stronger PTO. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Want even more guidance on how to be a stronger leader so you can run a better PTO or PTA? All these resources and more are waiting for you at ptoanswers.com.